In this video, we're going to see how we can set up screencast keys in Blender 4 so that you can see the keys and the mouse actions or commands that you're using displayed on the screen. So first of all, let's uncheck this. So this is to turn on and off screencast keys. And before you get into this, you need to activate it. So you need to go to the Edit and Preferences. And here, you just go down and go to the Get Extensions. Now this is a new tab in Blender 4. And from here, you can search for add-ons and themes, and we also dedicated other video guides to this. So if you're not familiar with this, you can check also other guides. So you can see these are the installed add-ons right here. You can also uninstall. So if you go here, you can uninstall a specific add-on. So an add-on is basically a type of extensions. And you need to allow the online access if you didn't already. You need to make sure you are in the add-on section, and in repositories you are here, extensions, blender.org. And you can also search it if you don't see it right here. So just search for screen and you'll find screencast keys. And then you need to install it. So you have an install button right here. You need to click on that button and that will be installed. Now you can also uninstall it again. There you go. And now you can see that it's only in the available section. So I'm going to install it like this. And now it's ready to be used. You can expand this. You'll find additional information right here. So once you install it, you will find it here in the add-ons. There you go. And it's automatically activated. But if it doesn't work, you may want to check here if it's actually on. This checkbox is marked. Okay, then you can close the preferences panel. And we can go now in the sidebar. So if you click and drag the arrow, or you can press N key. And by the way, let's turn this on right away. So now those screencast keys are visible down there, and you can press, you can see I'm pressing N here many times. So it's showing me also the number of times that I'm pressing the N. Okay, so now let's customize this a little bit. You can customize the color. Let's do it real quick. And also let's increase the mouse size so you can see a little bit better. And then we have, I want to make this more yellow. Okay, something like this. You can add a shadow and you can change also the color of the shadow. And to see the shadow, you need also a background. So let's add a background and decrease the color a little bit. There you go. And also you can make a corner radius there. And I like this one here, text, because it's only going to be inside the graphic of the mouse. And then you have font size. So if you press the keys, then you can see them like a little bit bigger. So let's increase about 44. And there you go. So we can see now the keys that I'm pressing. And you can see also the mouse. Let's go back here. And also you can increase the line thickness if you want to see it even better. And you can set the origin for to calculate the position of the mouse. It's set on the view, on the 3D view, and then you have region, area, window, and down here in the offset, you can also position it however you want. So if you want to higher or in the middle here. And also the alignment here, you have center, right, and left. And again, we are basing our origin on the window right now. So it depends on where you set this, it's going to change slightly. And also display time, so how much time and how many events you want to record. So only 5, meaning that if I press 5 different keys, it's going to then go on with the others. And you can increase this or decrease the number. You can set the repeat count on, so meaning that if I press always the same key, it's going to show how many times I press it. And also you can show the mouse events or not, but I think that's good. And you can put event history, meaning that it's going to show you like the text or hold status, or even history plus hold status. And also show the last operator if you want. Only the label, only the ID name, or label and ID name. And there you go. So it's pretty easy to understand and to set up. So I'm gonna stop here for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. Check our other courses in Blender and similar software. And also, if you want to support us and thank us, you can join the channel as a supporter. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.